Ugh. Seriously, what the hell is on my face? They look like ladybugs. Like, I guess ladybugs are good luck. Hey everybody! It's Tuesday. I am a creature from the vlog, and creatures from the vlog are so excited to post. So today I'm gonna be teaching everyone about neutrinos. Groundbreaking, except not really, are they? You're gonna find out. I put my hair up so that it's more sciencey. So scientists working on Italy's Opera experiment clocked neutrinos as traveling faster than the speed of light. And exactly what neutrinos are. Simply put, neutrinos are subatomic particles with a mass close to zero, and they rarely react with normal matter. If neutrinos are capable of superluminal, faster than light, motion, then what could those implications be? Einstein's theory of relativity would just be kaput. The theory of relativity has a few statements. One is that whether an object is at rest or in motion is highly subjective to the perspective of the person viewing the object. Second thing that he states basically in his theory is that the speed of light is a constant physical barrier. To surpass it would take an infinite amount of energy, squared states. But all that would be null and need to be replaced by a new theory, one that does encompass faster than light travel. Time travel itself would then become a possibility. Now, neutrinos couldn't generate the kind of energy for human time travel exactly. Message encoded into them, and then they would take that message with them, and it could arrive in the past, theoretically, before it was written, bringing us to the next possibility, which is the general principle of cause and effect. Basically, the entire basis for physics. The standard model of particle physics would need to be adjusted to incorporate superluminal particles. One explanation for how neutrinos could travel faster than the speed of light is that they're not actually traveling in like a straight line as we know it, hopping into one of the separate dimensions predicted in string theory. That dimension acts as kind of like a shortcut. So, paper, pen. Is that visible? Okay, so if you can, it's all backwards on the screen. We've got Chiernal, which is a pretend planet I made up, and Earth over here, and they're an impossible distance between each other. So normally, a particle would have to travel along these lines. This is path A. It's the black line, so it would have to travel there. But what time travel basically is saying is that you can go through these other dimensions, which is path B, kind of like a wormhole through here, through the fabric of that dimension to another one. And you could get there shorter and theoretically faster than the speed of light. If one could get to a different dimension, then instead of going from point A to B in a straight line, it would be shorter because they would jump to this other dimension, basically. So unfortunately, the validity of this particular experiment with the neutrinos was seriously challenged in an article written by Andrew G. Cohen and Sheldon L. Glashow. I'm not really sure how you say it. And it basically stated that neutrinos observed in the 1987 supernova arrived coincident with light to within a few parts per billion, which is a negligible amount. Neutrinos were observed to lose energy over time, and that basically was wholly contrary to that observed by the opera scientists. While it seems that the opera experiment may not be as valid as at a first glance, it's certainly interesting to speculate about all the different things that could happen if superluminal motion was possible. I also have a proposal for a new challenge for next week. 2 in a row is kind of a privilege. I don't need to do it. Be the one to suggest it. I already did it. I have been ignoring Caleb, my ukulele, a bit too much. So today I took it off and literally dusted the cobweb out from inside of it. In here, a spider decided to make its little home. I was not okay with that. So I dusted out the cobweb and I wrote the first verse of a song for us, and I thought it would be fun if everyone continued afterwards. I can't really stop myself from playing. But here we go. Here's the first verse. Yay, exciting. Now, because I don't know what comes next. My memory is failing me.